So I got a couple of new turtle moulds.
Ugh.
I know. Here they are. So they are
Turtles.
They're 3 different turtles, but they've all got flowers on them. So one of them's got a lotus flower, one of them has a rose, and one of them has lots of little teeny tiny roses.
Yes.
And I have to say, nothing has made me happier this month.
I was so excited when they turned up.
I don't think you were. So I decided to break out the tiny turners for this. That's how,
Wow.
Yeah, tiny turners. And my plan is to put nature, because I think that is a colour that just...
It is a colour. You're all right?
No, it is a colour, and it suits the body of the turtle beautifully.
Because it's turtle colour.
Because it's turtle colour.
Okay.
When I see that colour, I think turtle.
When you see anything, you see turtle.
No, that's not true. That's not completely true.
Mm-hmm.
It's mostly true, but not completely true. Anyway, so my plan was to take inspiration from Claire's Crafty Corner and just blob it all in, chuck it all in sort of thing.
Willy-nilly.
Willy-nilly it was, but I wanted it to be... I wanted it to have... So on the petals, I wanted the 2-tone colours.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yep.
That's what I was going for. So I'm just splodging it on. There's no rhyme or reason. There's no sort of concentrated where it's going. It's just splodged on.
The splodge technique.
The splodge technique.
Okay.
So the first colour is the magenta. And then the second colour is, I think it was Starlight or Supernova.
They're really nice colours.
But I thought, and as I was actually putting this on, I thought to myself, oh, I don't know if I like that.
Really?
No, I did. I thought, I think I might have made a mistake because I wasn't feeling it.
I think they look really good. I don't think the camera actually does them justice.
Yeah, but whilst I was putting the mic on, I was thinking, oh, this might not work. I might have led myself up the wrong path.
Okay.
But I thought, I'm committed now, so, that's that. Then I thought I'd dig out some of the Let's Resin standard colours for the next one.
Okay.
And this is the... This is the teeny tiny little flowers all over it. You can't really see. Yeah. Unfortunately, you can't really see them on the.
No, it just looks like a big white blob at the minute.
But trust me.
Yeah, loads of tiny little roses.
Yeah, and it's beautiful. So I've got the body of the turtle, and I kind of did a bit of the green and a bit of the sort of goldy colour.
So 2-tone.
Yeah, so two-tone body.
2-tone turtle.
Yeah. And then I thought glitter.
Purple, obviously.
Well, obviously. And again, I thought I'm just going to splosh it all on.
The sploosh.
The splooshing technique.
Yeah, you had a sploosh.
So what I want is because it's a fine glitter, you can brush it onto the mould.
Okay, so it acts like a mica.
It acts like a mica, but it's glitter.
So it's a twofer.
Yeah. So I've got the purple on, and then I've got, so that's Purple Prince from Just Resin. And then I took this Rainbow Aurora that I got from Resin Supplies Den. And I can't think of her name. Sharon does a whole bunch of fine glitters. I mean... Yeah. Yeah. And I've got a few of them, I have to say.
1 or 2, yes.
I've got a couple. I do need some more, though.
No.
There will be a restock coming soon.
No.
So this is just a purple and white glitter flower shell. And then I dug out my green chrome.
Yeah.
Because why not?
I mean, the turtle body, if you're going for green...
Chrome's a nice colour.
Yeah.
So I did the body all in the chrome. And whilst this was going on, I was like, oh, I really like this. I haven't used chrome for a while, actually. I haven't used
chrome for a while.
And I was like, oh, this is just beautiful. It's a really nice green. And I don't, you know, I'm not a big fan of green. I don't dislike green, but I don't tend to use it very often. But when I do, oh, yeah, it makes me happy. So then I dug out some of my Pinata inks, from Jacquard. And what I thought was I'm just going to put in some blobs onto the actual petals.
Okay.
And then once I pour the resin onto it, it will
swish around,
it'll swish it around and hopefully give me quite a nice effect. I wasn't overly confident at this point again.
So you were winging it.
I was totally winging it. Totally winging it. And these are their new metallics that are, I love them. Absolutely love them.
They are really nice metallics, yeah.
They actually use proper metallic
metal.
Yeah, in the inks. It's really, really cool. Anyway, I've mixed up, I think it's about 230 grams of craft resin.
Okay.
And I've popped it into the turtle.
Well, while Nikki is filling up her turtle, I would just like to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us and allow us to allow Nikki to restock her turtles.
Yes, thank you so much. Now into the two, I have just put some clear. So into the one where I've used the inks and the chrome, I've used clear.
Yep.
And into the
that's the rose one, isn't
it? The one with the little
one.
Tiny roses, where I've used glitter, I've used clear. And then into the one where I've used the tiny turners, I have added a white.
Ooh.
And the reason I added white is because I want it to be I want it to be subtle. I don't want it to be an in-your-face sort of, you know.
Okay.
I want because the tiny turners change depending on what colour you put behind them.
And the background, yeah. I mean, black is the one that will make it pop the most. But white will be subtle, or if you use a different colour, it actually does change how the light reflects.
Yeah. Now, I only poured the two turtles about halfway with the clear because I want the light to get in and give the glitter and bounce around and give the glitter some shiny.
Yep.
And then I've made some black up.
This graphite,
yeah, but it's a black. It's just
it is, but it has that.
It's a lustrous
silver.
Black.
Wisp in it.
Yeah.
It looks really cool.
So for the top third of the turtle, basically I want the body to have the black on it. So that's what I've done.
So make the green bit pop.
Yeah. Unfortunately, I didn't make quite enough, so I just made up a little tiny bit more and filled up that one mould. It was only his feet that were missing, so
yeah, I didn't enough to fill up the turtle in the top left corner. And
I didn't feel that. No, that's just what drips off of the mixer. But I didn't feel that you needed to see that again. But look at this.
That is really nice. Now, again, the camera does not do it justice because the other camera where you do the glamour shots, it really does pop.
Yeah. I was so chuffed with this one. I was like,
that's really nice. I like that.
Absolutely love him. He's beautiful. I was literally sat there for a good 10 minutes going,
you were, yeah. I've actually cut all that bit out. But...
yeah, I can tell. And then I thought I'd do I think this is the chrome one. This is the chrome with the, I think this is the chrome with the
flower.
The inks.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the inks. I was like, it's not.
Again, it does look different.
It is pretty, but I don't feel that the flower was as good as it could have been. But he's got such a cute face. I got over that disappointment pretty quick. But this is the Tiny Turner one.
Yeah.
And the one that I really wanted to be like special.
Okay.
Look at that. I was so happy.
You can see there where it's glistening.
It shimmers.
Yeah.
That's the only way I can describe it. It shimmers.
They're really nice moulds.
They are beautiful. And I love them. I absolutely love them.
Well,
I'm going to make lots of them, and I'm going to put them in the shop, but not because I
Okay.
particularly want to put them in the shop, but because I want to make lots of them. It's just an excuse, really,
okay.
to make
You don't
them.
need an excuse to make turtles.
I do, because I've still lost my other little turtle molds. I can't find them. They're just gone. I think you've hidden them. Anyway, yeah, I was really pleased. So I just sort of finished them off by just going around the edges and just tidying up the overpour.
Giving them a little buff.
Yeah, I was just... No, I like to use the... I don't know what they're called. Buffing wheel. Buffing wheel?
Yeah,
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
It's a buffing wheel.
Yeah.
Because it's not too harsh.
No.
But yeah, once I'd done that, I drew on some eyes with some chrome markers.
Yeah.
And I spent a little bit longer going...
Yeah, you did.
Ooh.
And this is where I had to cut it quite short, because there was about 20 minutes of you just doing this.
Well, yeah, because they're just beautiful. I mean, that one I was over the moon with. The little flowers are really pretty. And even his little legs look. They're just so cute.
I do like them. I don't know how I'm going to feel about them once you've made a couple of hundred and they're dotted around the house like the other ones, but we'll see.
They've all gone now. We've only got about 10 of those left.
Uh-huh.
There was literally only about 10 left.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway, once I got to this point, it was off to the glamour shots.
It was.
And that was that. Let us know in the comments if you like my new turtle moulds. And how would you have made them? How would you have coloured them?
I'd have probably done that one red.
And what colours would you have done them?
Yeah, I'd have done that one red.
Let me know in the comments.
And there you go. See, your other camera where you do the glamour shots, the colour on there actually brings them out.
Yeah, because it's a proper camera.
Yeah, but that one there looks really good.
I know. Look at them. Look at them. Oh, happiness.
Yeah.
Happiness is a turtle spinning.
Uh-huh.
And on that note, if you've enjoyed this video, please do leave us a like and a comment.
And while you're down there liking and commenting, if you haven't already, please consider giving us a subscribe.
Because it massively, massively, massively helps our channel.
Yeah.
And, you know, we all want to be millionaires, don't we?
Yeah.
Anyway, hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye for now.
Bye for now.